Shisngi hadin ba nakaliang kahinyo trap Integrated Territorial Organization na ni HITO kalalej ban Jingkhynra ya kadukan pipi store kapadon hak walapati kapalapan ya bean klem kikot kisla gibabiang na kaliang kitrai katay kadukan bakentop ya upramot prasad bat kakurim jong u ka Ajwini Nat kilami syakmat ban ay ka Pynshai Halor kani. Habakran sikilat patay kubor hakan no opay sngi ka atpun ril tarik unay lar hajar apusan kila kam bakila penyat ya kanika kam la life house nem menta bat ya ka trading license kila apply house nem hajar apulai hinrai hadu menta kimpat yo setia kila ong ru bawat ka label license ru kila penbiang lut ya kinong Trai jongki.
Regarding the labor license, we have already applied to the concerned authority. All the documentation are in process. So it will be issued in 1 or 2 days. All the receipts are with us. So nothing illegal we have been doing. Our business entity is like very old, not of like 1-2 years, like it's been there for more than 30 years. So like our business, we have been working there for 30 years and it's been more than 15 years since even I am involved with the business. So like whatever the incident happened, I was not present there, but unfortunately the incident happened. I'll really apologize from my heart that whatever like sentiments were hurt, if the words were misjudged, so I really apologize for that. We already have a trading license. One of the trading license is there. Since we have shifted in Gwalapati, we had applied for the for adding the address there. But somehow it couldn't be done, so we had applied fresh license for that, and the documentation, police verification, everything has been completed. So just we were waiting for the license. It has not been issued from the KHATC, so we are waiting for that.
Since when have you applied?
2023.
And yes, yesterday also regarding the NGOs, they found that you were using cars, private cars for supplying items in around Shillong. So what's your say on this?
No, that we have a yellow number plate also. It's not that we have been using, and like the vehicle which we are using is a private vehicle for the supply. We are not using as a like to earn some money from that. It's a private business. We are using it to supply goods to the shop in the Shillong adjoining areas.
So you're using the private vehicles for supplying items?
Yeah, we have the other vehicle also, Supro, which is like yellow number plate. Just 2-3 vehicles we are using it since the load is more, so sometimes we use it. Employee we have around 30.
How many of them has license? How many of them doesn't have?
Means 3 or 4 who has joined like in past 1 month, they might not have, but we have the license of all. We have applied for the license. Who doesn't have also, we have applied for them also. We have paid the fees, everything was done. I was in Bangalore only because of my medical emergency. My father is hospitalized, still he is hospitalized, but because of this incident I had to rush back. So today morning around 3 o'clock I reached here in Shillong.
Hakaway kaliang pat ka Ajwini Nat kalaong ba ka Jingkhynra ba kaladon ka Jingkhynra po ya kitry mulok kaday ka bamsisya da ka papinpaw ba ka kren ya kinikikintin na mar ba kaladon ka Jingshatu ha ka tikadukan jongka omban kren lani thaw yanuru.
I just want to issue a small clarification to the Khasi community, my beloved community, that I have not taken any Khasi name or intended to say anything to Khasi people as such. The incident happened like 2-3 people, they have stolen goods from our godown. So I was called in the absence of my husband who had gone to Bangalore for a medical emergency of my father-in-law. So when they called me there, I was very anxious and upset that they had stolen goods from us. And we trust them so much. So when this happened, I just said कि ये लोग ऐसा काम क्यों किया, चोरी करके ऐसा low class काम क्यों किया. I just meant that the act of stealing goods, the wrongful deed that they have done is wrong. And like in Hindi they say नीच काम like क्यों किया ना. That I just said like that. I did not. My heartfelt apology that I did not want to hurt my intention towards any community or jat or any caste, because we live in a very harmoniously here and doing business here with the Khasi people from so many years, and I am a God-fearing person and I don't have any ill feeling in my heart towards any community like as such. I just meant that as a calm, the act of stealing, what they did in that situation of mine, I said कि क्यों ऐसा किया. So I want to issue a sincere apology to all the people, and I just want to say, appeal to your kind and good-hearted nature to kindly forgive me and please consider my apology.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F mentakasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.